Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open groups. Google, com, and sign in. Create group now by entering a clear name and a group email that matches your team. Choose primary language, then set visibility and membership permissions. These control who can find and join the group. Add at least one owner and several members so the group is manageable. Once done, confirm the settings and create the group so you can use that group email address for sharing in Google Drive. Now refine the group so it works with Drive sharing. Assign roles, owner, manager, member, so permissions are clear, and set posting and joining rules to prevent spam. Make decisions about external members and whether new members require approval. Enable email delivery settings and a welcome message so everyone receives context. Once your membership policy is stable, copy the group's email address. This is the key you'll use when sharing. Final step: open Google Drive, select the folder or file, click Share, and paste the group email you created. Choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on the work you want people to do. Make sure to adjust sharing options like link access or expiration if needed. If someone cannot open the item, first verify the group's membership and visibility, then check Drive's sharing restrictions and individual email spellings. Resolving those 3 areas fixes most access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.